Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others struggle? This pervasive question has baffled many and often leads us to ponder upon the mysteries of human potential. Is it the stars that align perfectly for some while others are left in the lurch? Or is it just pure coincidence, a chance happening that favors the lucky few? The answer, surprisingly, is not rooted in the whimsical world of luck or the uncertain realm of coincidences. It lies in something more potent, more powerful, and utterly within our reach. It's the incredible art of manifestation. Manifestation, a term that might seem like a cryptic code to decode, a convoluted riddle to solve, or a mystical that existed only in ancient teachings or spirituality-based scriptures. However, in reality, it is an art, a technique that connects the profound world of our mind to the tangible realm of reality. Manifestation, in its simplest terms, is the process of transforming your thoughts into reality. It is the ability to shape your world by harnessing the power of your mind. It's not magic, not a wishful trick of the mind, but a disciplined practice of focusing your energy towards your goals and desires. It's about understanding that our thoughts have the power to influence our reality. It's about recognizing that every thought we conceive, every mental image we create, has the potential to affect our lives. Because thoughts, as abstract as they might seem, are energy. And energy, when directed with intent and consciousness, can create changes in our physical world. Manifestation is the belief that you can attract whatever you desire into your life. It's about acknowledging that our desires are not just idle daydreams or passing whims. They are potent seeds of potential that, when nurtured with intent and positivity, can blossom into reality. This belief is based on the principle that what we focus on grows. When we direct our thoughts towards our desires, when we paint vivid mental pictures of our dreams and ambitions, we are effectively drawing them towards us. We are pulling the universe in our favor, aligning our energy with the energy of our desires, and setting the stage for their realization. Manifestation is about empowering ourselves, about realizing that we have the power within us to shape our reality. It's about shifting from a state of feeling helpless, of being a mere spectator in the game of life, to realizing that we are in fact the creators of our destiny. So, if you've ever wondered why some people just seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams while others struggle, the answer lies not in luck or coincidence, but in something much more powerful, the art of manifestation. It's the belief that you can attract whatever you desire into your life by focusing your thoughts on it. You may be asking yourself, how can I make this possible? There's no need to worry. In this narrative, we're going to delve in, examining every step from 5 to 1, honing the art of manifestation, a practice that myriad successful people have been using for ages. At first glance it may seem burdensome, but believe me, it's not as daunting as it seems. So, we're off. Starting the countdown at 5, clarify your desires. What exactly does this mean? It's not enough to have a nebulous yearning for success or happiness. In order for any endeavor to prosper, you must pinpoint exactly what you crave. For example, if you're aiming for success, how would you define it? Are we discussing financial growth, career advancement, personal growth, or something entirely different? Following next at 4, visualization. This stage isn't about daydreaming about your wants, but genuinely feeling them as part of your present reality. Picture yourself running your own business. Can you feel the thrill of making pivotal decisions, the satisfaction of solving complex issues if you're leading a tech company? And how about relationships? Can you sense the feeling of being in a caring relationship? Belief takes the 3rd on the countdown. This step underscores a belief so sturdy and unwavering, it can move mountains. Believe in your desires. Doubt and fear are the 2 most powerful enemies of manifestation. Replace them with a resolute belief in your ability to fulfill your desires. Next up at number 2, taking action. Manifestation is not about passively waiting for your dreams to materialize out of thin air. It's about effort, commitment, and perseverance. Your actions must align with your desires. Finally, at number 1, we find gratitude. Cultivate the habit of expressing gratitude. Appreciate your current blessings as well as those that are headed your way. Though this final step may seem insignificant, it's powerfully effective. And there we have it. As we conclude our comprehensive guide into the art of manifestation, Keep these 5 steps at the forefront of your mind. It may appear a bit daunting at first, but with consistent practice, patience, and determination, you can turn your deepest desires into your reality. In conclusion, make a habit of expressing gratitude continuously. Be appreciative of what you currently have and what is coming your way. Remember, gratitude serves a dual purpose, keeping you grounded and amplifying your vibrational energy, thereby enhancing the potency of your manifestation. We start counting down from 5. Take a deep, calming breath. Feel your heart pounding in your chest, the thrill of what's about to come. Visualize the anticipation building up, like an electric current charging each cell in your body. You're about to turn the key and unlock the door that leads to your most cherished dreams. We move to 4. And now, visualize your deepest desires. Let them be part of your reality. Feel the pure, raw energy flowing through you, surging like a powerful stream. This is your innate power, your untapped potential, brimming with possibilities, just waiting to erupt and be unleashed, ready to transform your life and the world around you. Sliding into 3, you're inching closer with every passing second. Each tick of the clock brings you nearer to the you've always envisioned, a life that has seemed elusive until now, that is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality within your grasp. Onto 2, can you sense it? The pulsating excitement, the mounting anticipation. You're on the verge of a grand reveal. Every fibre of your being tingles with the anticipation of what's to come. You're almost there, standing on the edge of a transformative change that will alter your life's trajectory. We're at 1, just 1 step away now. And here we go. You're on the precipice of change, ready to dive headfirst into the uncharted world of manifestation. Now that the countdown is over, let's dive deep into the 5 easy steps to mastering manifestation. We've built the anticipation. Now let's unravel the mystery and guide you towards your path of self-discovery and transformation. Moving on to the 3rd scene, we plunge into the depths of the concept of manifestation. To help your ambitions materialize and evolve into existence, it's vital to have a clear understanding of what they are. Don't let them be vague or uncertain. Instead, define them accurately, clarify them to yourself in detail. This lucidity serves as a guiding light that steers your actions towards your desired goals. After defining your desires clearly, the subsequent step involves visualizing them. Use your mental capabilities to form a picture of your desire in your mind's theatre. Picture in your mind's theatre, picture it in detail. Make it as vibrant and as tangible as possible. The strength of visualization is immense. It offers a mental rehearsal to your mind, readying it for the actual occurrence. This act of visualization in your desires, faith is the bedrock of manifestation. Your faith in your desires replaces any doubt, an essential part of the process of manifestation. Cultivate this faith, let it find a home in your deepest consciousness. This faith drives you to take initiative. It ignites your determination to strive for your desires. Initiative is a vital aspect of manifestation. You may have the most precise vision, the firmest faith, but without taking consistent initiative towards your desires, they remain distant. It is through initiative that your desires move from the realm of patient and persistent is paramount. Manifestation isn't a singular event, it's an ongoing journey. Hence, patience and persistence play a major role in successful manifestation. Nevertheless, never forget that you're not merely an onlooker in your life. No, you're the writer, the director, and the lead of your own life. You hold the pen that scripts your life. You hold the reins that steer your life. You are the protagonist that takes the limelight in your life. So why not script a narrative that's worth recounting? Why not direct a life that's worth experiencing? Make it engaging. Make it moving. Make it worthwhile. And always remember, the only limitation to what you can manifest is the one you set for yourself. Don't confine your potential. Don't confine your dreams. So push your limitations, expand your boundaries, dream big, believe even bigger, and manifest the biggest. Because you, indeed you, possess the power to mold your life. You have the capability, the potential to bring everything to life, to turn your dreams into reality. As we progress into the 5th scene, we delve into the magical realm of taking action. You've defined your desires, visualized them, cultivated faith, and taken the initiative. Now it's time to take action. Taking action is an essential phase in the manifestation process. It's the phase where you engage with the universe, where you convert your mental desires into physical actions. It's the phase where you turn the intangible into tangible, where your dreams start to take form in the reality. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, ready to dive into a beautiful, sparkling ocean. You've visualized the dive, you've faith in your ability to swim, and you've taken the initiative by reaching the cliff. But unless you take the leap and plunge into the water, the dive remains incomplete. Similarly, in the journey of manifestation, taking action is the leap that propels you into the ocean of your desires. The universe responds to the vibrations we emit through our actions. Each action, each step you take towards your desire sends a strong signal to the universe, reinforcing your intention. It's like shouting out to the universe, "I'm ready, I'm serious about my desires." And remember, there's no perfect time to take action. Waiting for the perfect moment might just be an excuse to procrastinate. The perfect moment is now. The perfect action is the one you take now. So, don't hesitate, don't hold back. Leap into the ocean of your desires, swim towards your dreams, and watch as the universe conspires to help you achieve them. So are you ready to dive in? Are you ready to take action and manifest your dreams into reality? If yes, then brace yourself, because this is where the real magic begins. As we transition into scene 6, we explore the profound power of gratitude. This is the phase where you acknowledge and appreciate the blessings that already exist in your life, as well as those that are yet to come. It's all about embracing a mindset of abundance. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It raises your vibration, aligns you with the frequency of abundance, and amplifies the signal you send out to the universe. When you practice gratitude, you send out a clear message to the universe. I acknowledge the abundance in my life. I am ready for more. It's like opening a direct channel of communication with the universe, where you express your readiness to receive more blessings. But remember, gratitude isn't just about the big things. It's about appreciating the smallest of blessings, the simplest of joys. It's about being thankful for the air you breathe, the food you eat, the love you receive. It's about recognizing and celebrating the beauty in everyday life. So start your day with a sense of gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. Write down the things you're grateful for. Express your gratitude openly. And most importantly, feel the gratitude deep within your heart. As you cultivate a mindset of gratitude, you'll notice a shift in your vibration. You'll attract more positive experiences, more opportunities, more abundance. The universe will respond to your gratitude with more blessings. So, are you ready to embrace gratitude? Are you ready to amplify your manifestation power? If yes, then let's dive into the wonderful world of gratitude, where every blessing is cherished, every moment celebrated.